Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add different textures in only one object. So to show you that, I'm going to use this cube. I'm going to add 3 textures on 3 sides of this cube. So first select your object, then go to material setting in here. In the material, I have only one material created in here, then I will need 2 more. So I will have 3 materials because I want to add 3 textures, then I will need 3 materials. So I will add 2 more materials in here. So I will add 2 more in here. So then click new. So I created 3 materials in here. Then select the first material. So I'm going to add the first texture on the first material, and I'm going to add the second texture in the second material, and the same for the third one. So now let's move to the shading tab. In the shading tab, we're going to drop our textures in here. First, go to the material setting and make sure that the first material is selected. Then I'll add my texture in here. So I'm going to add this stone texture in here. Then I will connect it, the color, to the base color. So the first textures appear in here. Then I will do the same for the other materials. So select the second material and add the second texture in here. So for the second material, I will add this wood texture. Then I will connect the color to the base color. The texture doesn't appear in here because we didn't add the UV. So just let's finish these materials, then we will arrange them in the UV settings. Then do the same for the second material. I will add another texture in here for the third one. So I want this leaf to be my third material, then connect it to the base color. Now we finish adding all the textures. Now let's move to the UV editing. So in the UV editing, we're going to change this. Let me take this side. Then we're going to change this viewport to the middle one. Then you can see the textures that are appearing on the object. Let's take this back in here. Then go to the material settings, then select the first material. Let's minimize this. Yeah, okay. Then change this to the face selection mode. It makes easier to select the faces. So I want this face, the upper one, to be with the first material, or I need the first material to appear in the top of this cube. So I select this face, then select the first material, then select assign. So it's assigned in its default because this texture is the first in the first material, so it does change, but select U, then unwrap it. So we will see the full texture on this face. Then let's move to the other ones. So I want the second material to be on this side. So let's select this face, then select the second material, then select assign. As you can see it, the textures appear in here. Then select U and unwrap and adjust it, the vertices in here, move it a little up so it fits the textures now. So I will see the full texture on this side. Now let's move for the third one. I want the third material, the third texture, to appear in this side. Then I will select this face and select the third material, hit assign. Then select U and unwrap. As you can see, the texture also this there is the third texture also appears in here. Then I will adjust the vertices like this. Also, if you want, if I want to add this leaf only, then I will adjust this like this. Okay, so this leaf only appears in here. So if I want to add the other leaf in this side, I will select this, select the third material and assign, then you unwrap. Let's move this little up, and I will move this side to here because I want only this side leaf. So as you can see, the leaf appears in here. So you can use only one texture and add them in different sides. Okay, so this is how you add different textures in only one object. Okay, I think this is helpful for you guys, and if you like this video, hit the like button and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.